Hi, beautiful people. You're welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, I'll share with you on how to make this very delicious soup you are seeing. This is that premium water leaf soup. This soup is so good. Just serve this with your favorite swallow, and I'm sure you are up for enjoyment. And to make this, guys, you'll be putting in some of your meat into your pot. Here, I use beef. So I've added in some beef to the pot. I'll be adding in some salt. I'll go ahead and add some seasoning cubes, and I use non-classic seasoning cubes for this. Add in your pepper mix, add in your chopped onion. This is just going to season this beef thoroughly first. I will cover up the pot and allow the beef cook in its juice. That way you are going to have a very tasty and flavorful beef. So see guys, see the liquid that is being released in this beef. I'm just going to add in my stockfish now, and I use stockfish head. And you know what they say about stockfish head and soups, right? It gives a good flavor to your soup. Now I'm adding in water that will just cook the stockfish all the way through. Stir everything all together at this point. Cover up the pot and just give it a little time for it to cook. Back to the stockfish is almost ready. By this time, the aroma from this should be filling up your kitchen. So I'm just stirring in everything all together. This is one soup recipe you should try out. It is so loaded and so good. Right now, I'll be adding in some of my smoked chicken. So you need lots of protein for this food actually. And here is my deboned dry fish and smoked fish. Just adding everything at this point. Just make sure that everything is well immersed properly. So I'll be going in with my Okpei dissolved in water. Proceed to add in your palm oil now. So make sure you use a very good palm oil whenever you are making any palm oil dish. It goes a long way. Yes, it goes a long way to make your soups and anything very tasty. So right now we'll be adding in the thickener for this soup, and I chose ofo. You can use ache, but I advise you to use ofo as a thickener for this soup. Just about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons should be enough. Cover it up and allow this to cook. So a few minutes later, come back and stir everything all together. I'll be adding in some crayfish now, and I'm just going to cover the pot and allow all these ingredients marry. This is going to ensure that you have a very rich and tasty soup. 5 minutes later, this is time for you to go on and add in your water leaves. And I've already shredded and washed my water leaves. So I'll be adding in my water leaf at this junction. Just make sure you have lots of water leaf for this recipe, because water leaves is just going to produce more water for you. Just proceed to stir everything together. At this junction, you can just decide to just turn off your heat. But no, I just want to add one other leaf to this. And this vegetable will always highlight the taste of my water leaf soup. And I want you to try it out. What we call this soup at my house is cook and finish, because we don't even want the soup to reach the next day. You just cook it, enjoy it, and it is so good. Just take a look at how this is already looking. So I'm just going to be adding in now my scent leaves. So make sure you add a little bit of scent leaves to your water leaf soup. It like take the taste to that level you want it to be. Stir everything all together, and that is it, guys. The water leaf soup is ready. Take a look at this, guys. I'm just turning off my heat now because I don't want it to cook any further. Just take a look at this, guys. This is so good. Make it on that special event when you want to wow your guests, or just when you want to make a very delicious swallow for your family. Just make this soup. So, guys, I'll be serving mine with yellow eba. What will you be serving this with? Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe out, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and share my recipes. And for my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Just sit back and enjoy recipes coming your way. Take care. Bye.